At Ensono, we have a very well-defined migration process for going into the Azure cloud. We call this Azure GoLive. And the Azure GoLive is, as described, everything you need to go live into the cloud. And the first part that we start off with is a thing called Envisioning. And what Envisioning does is it brings your core team's knowledge all up to the same level in Azure. So you understand what the equivalent of a VLAN is in the cloud and the equivalent of how we can connect things and how we can monitor things. The cloud services themselves have got over 1,800 services in Azure. And so we cover off the key pieces that you need to understand in that. Once we completed Envisioning, we move into application assessment. And we deploy our custom tooling in this phase to collect data, and we get a couple of key data points back. We get application dependency maps, so what is talking to what in the environment. We get cost profiles of how everything's going to work, and we get a risk profile. And the risk profile identifies any potential risks in the environment, such as unsupported operating systems, old versions of things that have dongles connected to them. We then take all that data and work with you to build out a roadmap and a plan for how we're going to move those workloads into the Azure cloud. Once we're ready to go, then we deploy our custom tooling, and we have our persistent state database tooling, which is an orchestration engine that manages the migration. And this takes all the prerequisite tasks and loads all those up, synchronizes the servers over, and then fails the servers over and brings them back up and installs everything that's there. One thing a lot of customers tend to do when they're moving into a cloud environment is take an opportunity to relook at their management tooling. Microsoft Cloud has the Operations Management Suite, which is the cloud cousin to what was System Center in the day. And this gives us automation, it gives us application insights, it gives us operational monitoring, and it gives us backup and DR. And so when we're moving our applications, we tend to take this as an opportunity to move to this new platform, deploy the new tooling, and roll this out. It gives us better visibility of how our applications and services are run.